Hey, hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one is not with the silent waste. It's with the ones that grab these cans. But if you want to see more videos of that, leave a comment down below, and I'll make more. Watch the video. Good luck, and hope you have a good video. Sorry about the shake. Sorry about the shake there. I have to try to catch up. I like to he is going to strike me. Now, if you've seen this truck on one of my other videos, you know he'll double back. He'll go around and then double back. So it's not like he's going to leave and go somewhere else. What he does is he double backs. Sorry about the shakiness there. At 3 minutes, I don't shake anymore. If you guys saw that, what I saw, leave it, see what I saw. Because I thought I saw a bit of darkness. Here he comes. See, he double backs.